oral project on the advanced at these main tanks of Owen Arcar. My name is Ricardo Gomez from Group Quinto Advanced of Owen Arcar Freedom and Mobility, complete independence from public transport, students of roads, comfort greater comfort of daily community, avoiding crowds, time savings, flexibility to choose routes have avoid batting, cargo capacity, ease of transporting shopping luggage of heavy items, security, greater control over the vehicles, surroundings have cleanliness, privacy, private personal space during journeys, emergency, immediate availability for any emergency or uniform event, flexibility, travel ability to take long trips at any time. Bonus opportunities facilitates work visit transporting goods, entertainment, flexibility to travel to leisure destinations. Despite thanks of our car in operating costs, insurance, casualty, maintenance had constant repairs, depreciation, loss of the basic economic value over time, acquisition costs in installation investment, we buying the car, traffic expressing consequent traffic jams, parking difficulty, finding parking had associated costs, mandatory maintenance, need for oil change, tourist at inspection, taxes, payment of registration fees, annual tax of other annual tax, risks of accidents, exposure to traffic accidents had insurance procedures, pollution emission of harmful gases had contributed to climate change, stress tension for driving traffic of unexpected mechanical problems.